Okay, guys, here we are, right, inside of a platform that's known as SEO Clerks, okay? SEO Clerks is the name of this particular platform. On this particular platform, guys, absolutely anybody can sign up and list their skill or a set of skills or your skill sets, and they can actually be matched up for people who are looking to have work done with the skills or the skill sets that you possess and will pay you to do it. Okay, it's known as outsourcing, right? And there are millions of people online, right? Millions of people online searching for things that they need done. They need these things done either because they don't want to do them themselves, even if they know how, or they don't know how to do them. But the fact of the matter is, they will pay you money, right, for doing the things that they don't want, they don't have time to do, or they simply don't want to do. Now, in a video I did the other day, I asked you guys, I said, what particular skill, or do you think you have a skill or a set of skills or a skill set that you might be able to get into a platform like this, and you're able to actually surf the platform to see what types of jobs and what they call gigs most oftentimes are being bid inside this platform. So you can get inside the platform and see exactly what it is that countless tens of thousands of people looking to have source outsourced, what they want outsourced, what they're looking to have outsourced. And I'll bet you guys, a dollar to a dime, you already possess some of the skills that's being bid on inside of this platform. Guys, even if you don't have a skill, right, for the many countless jobs and gigs that are being bid inside of places like SEO Clerk, you can simply go in, list yourself, right, as a person who will provide that particular gig or that service, and then turn around and go to a place similar to SEO Clerks, right? And in this instance, let's call it Fiverr.com. Have the work actually outsourced through Fiverr after you've marked the price up inside of SEO Clerks. You can do this vice versa, by the way. And then simply, when that gig is ready to be delivered, you deliver it from the person you had outsourced it to the person who wanted it done for them. It's called alchemy in my mind, guys, because all you're really doing is standing. You're a go-between, really a problem solver, really, right? Because you found somebody who was looking for something. You found somebody who could do it, and you married the two up together, guys, right? And you can get paid decent commissions. You know, you can get paid. You're just simply a broker, right? So if you guys remember my cash alchemy video, the very first one that I put up on YouTube, you guys requested it, so you know exactly what we're talking about here. I wanted to revisit this video. I wanted to show you guys and make sure you guys understood that even if you're a person with no particular skill, which I find hard to believe, we all have some type of skills, guys. Like, hey, some people are great dog walkers. I'm not one of them, but some people are, right? And that's a service, right? So anyway, that has nothing to do with the jobs on Fiverr and SEO Clerks, because I don't think they're going to be anybody looking for dog walkers on Fiverr or SEO Clerks. Although you never know these days. So anyway, guys, look, that's something that you can actually start doing. So what I'll do in this YouTube video, guys, and if you guys are on Facebook, I'll leave the actual links for both Fiverr.com, which is the page you're looking at right now. And again, it's similar to SEO Clerk in the sense that you can go up here, guys, and have all kinds like graphic design. Look at that. That's just one category. Digital marketing, video translation, video animation. You don't have to know how to do any of these things, guys, because you can crisscross in these particular platforms. Like you can go to SEO Clerk, right, and have the jobs that you're listing on Fiverr, or go to Fiverr and have the jobs you're listing on SEO Clerks. And again, guys, all you're really doing is working as a broker, a middleman, right, who are going to marry these two people up. And by doing that, you're going to be solving problems for three different people. You're going to be solving the problem for the person that's looking to have it done. You're going to be solving a problem for the person who wants it done, and you'll pay to have it done. And you're going to be solving some problems of your own because you're going to be able to take a commission from anywhere inside what you set your bid price at in one particular platform as opposed to the other. And again, you can interchange them. You can do this on either one. You can sign up for both SEO Clerks and Fiverr absolutely free. There's a video, and I'm going to end up putting it under this video, that's actually going to explain how to actually set up a Fiverr vendor account. You know what I mean? Like, you can go Google it on YouTube, or you can Google it, find out how to do it. But I've done it, right? And I haven't touched it, and I can't remember how I did it. But it took me literally 5 or 10 minutes. You go to Fiverr or you go to SEO Click and you just simply join, right? And then you set it up. Then, guys, you start going through. Now this is just something for people who really. You don't know that skill you possess that might better make you, these jobs are being big, guys. They're reasonable, but they start at like $5, $10, $15. And look, down here, $4.75. Some of these gigs, guys, can go, there's no limit to what these people will pay to have done, right? There's no limit to it. So if you got a few extra hours in the day or on the weekend or whatever, and you want to do the alchemy thing, really, go in here, see what's being offered, match the two up, marry them up, find the prospective person looking to have the job done, then go and find a prospective person who will do it for you, mark the price up somewhere in between, and when those gigs are completed, guys, you can simply deliver it to your customer, to your client, and you can make a commission or broker fee pretty much, right? Money for doing that. So I hope you guys found this of some value, right? It's really the second installment of the video series I'm putting together. There will be one more video where I'll either redirect you guys to or either do the actual video on how you actually set up a Fiverr account. I have both, by the way. I'm in my members area in both of these particular platforms, and then you guys can see how that works. This is something you want to do. If not, guys, you want to reach out to me, find out some of the other things I'm doing online, guys, feel free to hit me up at itsmarlonobennett@gmail.com. Just make sure you put question for Marlon in the subject line. If you find me for the very first time on Facebook or YouTube, guys, go on and like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with somebody that you really care about. It really could be some life-changing information, guys. Anyway, as always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.